Kia ora, good morning. It is Thursday. I am Mike from Markets. I am also Mike who has still not seen Elton John live in concert, but maybe will in January. Yeah, we'll stick with Mike with Markets, I think. Better bring to it. Right, Kiwibank Markets in a minute. So, yeah, unsurprisingly, COVID-19 that continued to dominate the global financial landscape overnight, mostly dominated, but reactions weren't really unified across all of the major risk assets. It's tricky. Yeah, so the key market-related COVID headlines related to a slowing in the number of reported cases and talk of further injections of economic stimulus from China. That's a pretty tasty combo. And equity indices, they loved it. Gains across the board, 0.5%-ish at the lower end and a whole percent-ish at the upper end, and new record highs for a couple of indices. Yeah, currency markets, that's where things started to get a bit mixed up. The yen declined in value, the greenback appreciated. Makes sense so far. The New Zealand dollar, though, that didn't buy into the hype. At least it hasn't yet. The Kiwi is back in that trading range that we saw pre-RBNZ last week, so tethered to the 64-cent mark, roaming a bit either side. It's actually roamed a little further to the south than it did last week. 63.71 US cents, that was the overnight low. New lowest level since November, and we're pretty close to that level now. In terms of relative performance, though, the Kiwi didn't actually fare too badly. The declines were about on par with the Aussie and better than the yen and the pound, worse than the euro and the dollar. Yeah, Kiwi crosses, they're a bit all over the place this morning. If you're after more conflicting movements, they're definitely out there. There are a few notable ones in commodities. Risk asset oil, that advanced, as did safe haven gold. Yeah. Okay, looking at the day ahead, Fed meeting minutes, we'll have those at 8 a.m. Beyond that, yeah, it's back to COVID-19, watching, waiting and worrying. It's a triple threat. Yeah, and Kiwibank New Zealander of the Year. That is tonight, TVNZ On Demand. It's streaming there. We'll probably talk about it tomorrow as well. Yeah, good times ahead. Have a great... What day is it? Thursday. Have a great Thursday. Ka kite.